Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Sharmila Pandey, Faculty of Chemistry in the School of Sciences of Sage University Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the Latimer diagram. What is Latimer diagram? Latimer diagrams are the oldest and most compact way to represent electrochemical equilibria for substances that have multiple oxidation states. So Latimer diagrams show the redox information about a series of species in a very condensed form. Electrochemical potential values are written for successive redox reactions from highest to lowest oxidation state, typically under standard conditions. The oxidation states of successive substances in Latimer diagram can differ by one or more electrons. Oxidation states for the element undergoing redox are typically determined by difference. We assign the oxygen atoms an oxidation state of -2 and the hydrogen atoms an oxidation state of +1. From these diagrams, you can predict the redox behavior of a given species. So these are the things we will follow, and these things will be even more clear when we see this. So the Latimer diagram for a series of manganese species in acidic solution is shown below. So MnO4 minus oxidation state of manganese is +7. Then comes to MnO4 2 minus. So the redox potential is plus 0.564. Here the oxidation state of manganese is 6 plus. Then comes to MnO4 3 minus, MnO2, Mn3 plus, Mn2 plus, and manganese 0. So these are the oxidation states. From left side we are writing the most oxidation state and then it reduces to 0. So the Latimer diagram for manganese illustrates its standard reduction potential in acidic condition in oxidation states from +7 to 0. The standard reduction potential for the reduction half reaction involving the two species joined by the arrow is shown above the arrow. So this is the standard reduction potential which is written above the arrow. The more positive the standard reduction potential, the more readily the species on the left is reduced to the species on the right side of the arrow. Thus, highly positive standard reduction potentials indicate that the species at the left is a good oxidizing agent. This will be clear from this diagram. Negative standard reduction potential indicates that the species to the right behaves as a reducing agent. And half reactions can be written from these diagrams also. So like here, the Latimer diagram compresses into shorthand notation all the standard potentials for redox reactions of the element manganese. For example, the entry that connects manganese 2 plus and manganese gives the potential for the half cell reaction Mn2 plus aqueous plus 2E, it becomes Mn. So from Mn2 plus to Mn, the standard potential is -1.18. And the entry connecting Mn4 plus and Mn3 plus represents the reaction that is Mn4 plus to Mn3 plus. This MnO2 plus 4H plus aqueous plus electron is Mn3 plus aqueous plus 2H2O liquid. And here the value is 0.954. Okay. So now it comes the calculation part. So we can also calculate values of multi-electron reactions by first adding delta G0 is minus NFE0 values and then dividing by the total number of electrons. So to get the potential for non-adjacent species, we have to do E0A plus B equals to NA E0A plus NB E0B divided by Na plus Nb. For example, for the 5 electron reduction of MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus, we write E0 equals to 1 into 0.564 plus 1 into 0.274 as in the given diagram, plus 1 into 4.27 plus 1 into 0.95 plus 1 into 1.51, and Na plus Nb, that will be equals to 5 because 5 electrons are involved, which will give me the value 1.514. For 3 electron reduction of MnO4 minus aqueous to MnO2, it will be 1 into 0.564 plus 1 into 0.274 plus 1 into 4.27 divided by 3, that is plus 1.70. So remember to divide by the number of electrons involved in the oxidation number change, that is 5 and 3 for the above two equations. Okay. Now, if we see the same Latimer diagram for a series of iron species in acidic solution, this is the diagram. So FeO4 2 minus to Fe3 plus, then to Fe2 plus and Fe. So the oxidation state changes from +6, +3, +2 to 0, and the potentials are written above the arrows. So how to get the potential of non-adjacent species? E0A plus B will be similarly equals to Na E0A plus Nb E0B by Na plus Nb. So if we do it for Fe3 plus to Fe, when the potentials are already given here, so we can get the oxidation potential, that is this value, which is already given here as minus 0.04 volt. This can be obtained by this formula, as we already did for the previously. Okay. The Latimer diagram for a series of copper species in acidic solution is shown below. Here it is for the for the copper species in acidic solution. Here also we can get the value of copper 2 plus 2 copper as plus 0.340, implying the same equation. And similar can be done for the chromium series also. The Latimer diagram for a series of chromium species in acidic solution is shown. So from chromium 6 to 5, then 4, 3, 2, then 0. So here also the standard potential values are given. So the potential for non-adjacent species can be calculated again by following the similar equation. So this is how we can get the potential for all the changes in the oxidation state of the species. Thank you.